Welcome to our guide on starting a junk removal business. Today, we'll delve into the nitty-gritty details of how you can establish a successful venture in this space. The junk removal industry offers significant potential for profitability and growth, making it an attractive option for entrepreneurial spirits. From understanding market dynamics to the nuts and bolts of forming an LLC, we'll provide a step-by-step guide to get you started. So, if you're eager to learn about starting a junk removal business, let's dive into the details. First, you need to conduct thorough market research and create a robust business plan. Now let's talk about why market research is pivotal. Understanding your local market is like having a compass in the entrepreneurial world. It helps you navigate your business towards a successful path. Delving into the local market, you can grasp the needs of potential clientele and the competitive landscape. Are there already established junk removal businesses in your area? If yes, what services do they offer and at what cost? Knowing your competition allows you to carve out a unique niche for your business, offer something different, and attract customers. Next, let's discuss the importance of potential clientele. Who are your customers? Are they predominantly homeowners, businesses, or both? Understanding your customer base helps you tailor your services to meet their needs, setting you apart from the competition. Now that you've done your market research, it's time to create a business plan. Think of this as your company's blueprint. It outlines your business objectives, the strategies to achieve them, and the time frame. Firstly, your marketing strategies. How will you make your junk removal business known to your potential customers? Will you use social media, flyers, or local advertisements? Having a well-thought-out marketing strategy helps you reach your target audience effectively. Secondly, your operational plan. This involves the day-to-day operations of your business. How will your business function? What are the hours of operation? How many employees will you need? These are some questions your operational plan should answer. Lastly, your financial projections. This is where you estimate your business's future income and expenses. It helps you gauge the financial viability of your business and is crucial for attracting investors. Remember, a well-researched business plan can be your roadmap to success. It provides a clear direction for your business and equips you with the knowledge to overcome obstacles that may come your way. So take your time to conduct thorough market research and create a comprehensive business plan. After all, a successful journey begins with a well-prepared start. Next, it's time to legally establish your business by forming an LLC. An LLC, or limited liability company, is a type of business structure that combines the flexibility of a partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. Essentially, it's the best of both worlds, providing you with the freedom to manage your business as you see fit, while also safeguarding your personal assets from any potential business debts or liabilities. Now you may be wondering, why is an LLC so important for a junk removal business? Well, in the event of any unforeseen circumstances or lawsuits, an LLC can provide a safety net, ensuring that your personal assets, like your home or personal savings, are not at risk. Forming an LLC may sound like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. That's where Tailor Brands company comes into play. They offer a straightforward and hassle-free LLC setup process, taking care of all the tedious paperwork and legal complexities so you can focus on what matters most: building your business. And remember, while forming an LLC does involve some costs, think of it as an investment in your business's future. It's a small price to pay for the peace of mind it provides. Once you've successfully formed your LLC through Tailor Brands company, you'll receive your official LLC documents, and voila! Your junk removal business is now a legally recognized entity, ready to take on the world. With your LLC set up, you are now a legally recognized entity. After forming your LLC, you need to get an Employer Identification Number, or EIN. Picture it as a social security number, but this one's for your business. It's your business's identification in the eyes of the federal government, and it's crucial for filing your business taxes. But that's not all. Your EIN is also needed when you open a business bank account, apply for business licenses, and even when you're hiring employees. It's like your business's passport to the world of commerce. So how do you get one? Well, there's an easy way. Tailor Brands company can help you obtain your EIN without breaking a sweat. They streamline the process so you can focus on what matters most, building your junk removal business. Remember, your EIN is more than just a number. It's your business's identity and a key to unlocking many doors in the business world. With your EIN, you're ready to handle the financial aspects of your business. Now, you need to secure the necessary licenses and permits. This isn't just a bureaucratic hoop to jump through. It's a critical step in legitimizing your junk removal business. Let's start with your local business permits. Depending on your location, you might need a general business license or something more specific to junk removal services. Check with your city or county government to find out what's required in your area. Next up are vehicle permits. Since your business involves transporting junk from one location to another, you'll likely need a commercial vehicle license. Don't forget, each vehicle in your fleet must be properly insured and registered. Now let's talk about waste disposal licenses. This is a big one. The waste you collect has to go somewhere, right? And it's not as simple as just dumping it anywhere. You'll need to comply with local and federal regulations for waste disposal. This might involve securing a permit from your local health department or environmental agency. And don't forget, these aren't one-and-done deals. Most licenses and permits need to be renewed periodically. So keep track of those expiration dates to stay on top of things. You may be thinking, that's a lot of red tape. But remember, these steps are in place to protect the environment, the community, and your business. They're a vital part of running a responsible and successful junk removal business. Securing these licenses and permits ensures your business operates within the legal framework. So, take the time to get them right, and you'll be well on your way to a thriving junk removal enterprise. With all the legalities sorted, it's time to purchase equipment and hire staff. For your junk removal business to hit the ground running, you'll need some essential equipment. Let's start with the heart of your operation, the truck. This will be your mobile office, storage and transportation all rolled into one. Consider investing in a reliable, heavy-duty truck that can handle large hauls and rough terrains. Next, you'll need safety gear for you and your team. This includes gloves, safety glasses, hard hats, and durable work boots. Remember, safety should always be your top priority in this line of work. Your toolkit should also include essentials like shovels, rakes, and brooms for cleaning up debris, as well as dollies and hand trucks for moving heavy items. If you plan to offer services like dismantling or demolition, power tools will come in handy. Now let's shift our attention to hiring staff. The success of your junk removal business will largely depend on the reliability and efficiency of your team. Look for individuals who are hardworking, dependable, and physically fit. Experience in junk removal or related fields can be a plus, but it's not always necessary. Training your staff is crucial. They should be well versed in safety protocols, customer service, and the ins and outs of junk removal. They should know how to handle different types of waste and how to dispose of them responsibly. Remember, your team will be the face of your business. They should be professional, respectful, and dedicated to providing excellent service. Lastly, consider whether you need to hire additional roles, like a dispatcher or customer service representative, as your business grows. This will help ensure smooth operations and a positive customer experience. There you have it. With the right equipment and a reliable team, you're well on your way to launching your junk removal business. Equipped with the right tools and team, you're set to hit the ground running. Lastly, you need to attract customers through effective marketing strategies. Now, let's delve into how you can do this. One powerful tool at your disposal is online advertising. Platforms such as Google AdWords and social media sites offer targeted advertising, allowing you to reach potential customers in your area who are in need of junk removal services. Next up is search engine optimization, or SEO. By optimizing your website with relevant keywords, you can increase your visibility on search engine results, making it easier for customers to find you when they're seeking out junk removal services. Don't underestimate the power of traditional marketing techniques either. Local flyers can be a cost-effective way to reach potential customers in your immediate vicinity. Consider partnering with local businesses to display your flyers, or even sponsoring local events to boost visibility. Networking can also yield valuable results. join local business groups, attend community events, and make connections. You never know who might need your services or who might know someone who does. Of course, none of these strategies will be effective without excellent customer service. Why? Because happy customers become repeat customers, and they're likely to spread the word about your business to friends, family, and colleagues. So, make sure every interaction leaves a positive impression. With a solid marketing strategy, you're ready to build your customer base and grow your business.